Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to copy your Facebook page URL or your Facebook profile URL in this particular video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight in. So you launch the Facebook app. Okay, so what we're going to do is that let's just cover for the personal profile first. Okay, so now if you want to cover, if you want to get your profile link, so you click on your profile picture at the top left. Next, you click on the three dots at the top right. Next, you click on copy profile link. Then you continue. So you can also screenshot this. So you can also screenshot this and send it to us on WhatsApp. All right. So you message Gwrite. Send us that link. You copy it. All right. Then you could also send us the screenshot you took. Okay. So that's the first one. Next, we are going to switch to the Facebook page. All right. So you select the Facebook page you also want to give us access to. So, or whichever Facebook page we asked you to send us the link that is on your account. So how you're going to go about that, you click on the menu button at the top left. Okay, the three lines at the top left. Next, you click on that drop down with the arrow pointing downward. The arrow pointing downward at the top right. Okay. Then you select the page, whichever page you want to send us the link. So let's assume the page you want to give to us is this one. But you're going to select yours. You should know the one you want to give us the URL. Next, you click on the profile picture again of that page at the top left. So it's the same thing. Next, you click on the three dots at the top right. Okay. Next, you copy the page. You can also screenshot, like I said. Screenshot it. Then you copy. Okay, so when you copy, you come to WhatsApp and you send it to us. You can also send both the screenshots. All right, so that's all. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. So just hold on. Before you go, we're also going to show you more methods. You know, Meta is always changing things on their platform. So another way you could do this is to click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Okay, so the previous one we did works for both iPhone and Android. It's same process. Now for this is more like another phase. Okay, so you click on the profile picture at the bottom right for iPhone. Now you are here. So you can copy your profile link by clicking on the three dots at the top right. Then you scroll down and copy this link and also take a screenshot and send to us, just as we've showed you. So let's go back. Now, another way you could switch in between your page, you click on this drop down at the top right, that arrow. You select the page you want to switch into. So it's same thing. So you can also go back, click on the profile or the menu at the bottom right. Okay, then you click on the three dots again. Then you copy the page link and also screenshot and send to us. We're also going to do this with an Android so that you learn also. Don't forget, always copy. Once you copy, send the link to us and come back, just as we did in the early stage of this video. So let's move to the Android. It's for Android. So we launch Facebook on Android. Where you're going to find that menu button is at the top right. So you can see it there. So you click. Then you click on the three dots at the top right. Then you'll be able to copy this link. So once you copy this link, you can also screenshot and send to us on WhatsApp. So you paste the link that you've copied and also send the screenshot to us on WhatsApp. Then you go back to Facebook So don't forget, this one you did is a personal profile. Make sure it's your personal profile. Next, you click on the drop down just here. Then you switch to the Facebook page. For this account, we have just one Facebook page, so we switch into this one. Then, so just skip all of this. If you should get any of them, skip. Click on X. So for this one, this is Android. Now you have to click on the profile picture at the top left. Okay. Then you click on the three dots. Then you scroll down and click on page link. Then continue. So this is how. So if it doesn't show the page link, just copy the page link, or you click on share page. Then you copy the link. One of them must work. Then you come to our DM and paste the link you copied. Okay. For most of them, you can even screenshot this page. So when we tell you screenshot your profile, it means the way it's showing like this, you screenshot it. So this is your profile home of your Facebook page. Now, if we say screenshot your profile of your personal account, you also switch into the personal account. So you click on this drop down here. Then you switch to your main profile. You can also do it the same way on iPhone. Then you click on your profile picture at the top left. Then you screenshot also. And then you send to us on WhatsApp. So you send both pictures. So make sure you do all of this. It will help us to facilitate. So you select both pictures and send to us. All right, so that's it. Don't forget to visit the description section to access more useful resources. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Bye.